So let me save you some time really, really quick, right? If you've been applying for work from home jobs and not hearing anything back, it honestly might not be you. It might be where you're actually applying to. Because everybody, and I mean everybody, is applying to the same websites. And honestly, that's the problem. All right, so look, I was literally thinking about this earlier because I see people all the time saying, I've been applying to 50 jobs, 100 jobs, and nobody's calling me back. And I'm like, but where are you applying to? And every time I hear the same things over and over: Indeed, LinkedIn, ZipRecruiter. And look, I'm not saying those are bad at all, but that's where everybody is going. So imagine this, right? A company posts one remote job, and within an hour, they get about 500, sometimes 1,000, sometimes 2,000 applicants. And that point, it's not even about qualifications anymore. It's all about timing, luck, and honestly, algorithm. So in this video, I'm going to put you on to some sleeper websites because I'm trying to put you on the game. Real low key platforms where people are actually getting hired. And most people are not even talking about these, which is a good thing, right? And I'm going to keep it real with you too. I'm not just going to hype these up. I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, and what to actually expect so you can move smarter. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into these, right? The first one I want to tell you about is actually the one I actually like the most. Now, I have to start with this one because it's called Rat Race Rebellion. Now, this one right here is legit, like 100% actually legit, right? This isn't one of those sites where anybody can just post anything, right? They actually screen the jobs before they actually go live. And that matters the most because the remote job space right now, honestly, is full of scams, fake listings, weird stuff. People honestly just trying to collect your information. And that ain't cool, y'all. Now, this site filters a lot of that out. So you're already starting from a better place. They post jobs daily. So these are daily leads that they're posting for you, hiring events, and companies that are actively hiring right now. Now, the pros to this: very trustworthy, updated often, good for beginners. Let's talk about those cons though, right? You still got to move fast on this because the people who know about this site, trust me, 100%, they own it. And those jobs don't sit long. So if you're serious about remote work, this is one you need to have in rotation, like right now. Now, the next one I want to share with you is going to be OTTA. So OTTA. Now, this one feels different the moment that you get on it. It's clean, it's modern, and it actually matches you with jobs. Now, that's perfect. Now, if you're working a 9 to 5 already, you already in a job, you don't have time to apply or to look at different qualifications, this one's going to match them for you. So you good, right? So instead of you scrolling for hours, it's like based on what you want. Here's what fits you. Now, that's real, right? And I like that because scrolling job boards all day long, trust me, that gets old real quick. Now, the pros to this one: personalized job matches, clean experience, it's less overwhelming. The cons: a lot of startup jobs, right? Some roles may require experience, but if you're trying to pivot or grow into something new, this one could be a good one for you. The next one is going to be Himalayas. Now, this one is a real straightforward, no fluff, no fake, remote for now jobs. Just actual remote roles. And they show you details up front. So they're going to show you the salary, the company, the tools. So you're not wasting time applying to something that really doesn't even fit you. So the pros to this one is going to be transparent. They're fully remote jobs. easy to use. The cons to this one, some roles are more specialized. It can be competitive. Now, the next one is going to be job espresso. Now, people really sleep on this one, right? So, this site is curated. So, not just anything gets posted to this one, which means less junk, right? Better quality jobs. Now, the pros to this one, you get higher quality listings, less clutter. Now, the cons, fewer jobs overall, though. So, you got to check it consistently. Now, I want to give y'all a quick pause, real quick, right? Now, if you've never heard of at least two of these so far, then that's going to be a good thing because that means we're finally not doing what everybody else is doing. All right, now let's go on to this next one, working nomads. Now, this one is low key, one of my favorites. So it pulls remote jobs from all over the internet, but it actually filters them too. So instead of you searching everywhere, it's going to already be done for you. And you can set alerts to this one. So jobs come straight to your email. Now, the pros to this, it saves time, updates daily, and it's easy to use. Now, the cons to this is some of the jobs, they overlap. And again, you still need to apply fast. Now, the next one is going to be remotive. And I like this one too, because these companies are built for remote work, not just we want something remote during those COVID times and everybody wants to go back into that office. This is their actual culture. Now, the pros, remote first companies, better work environments. Now, some of the cons are some roles lean more tech and it can be competitive. Now, the next one is going to be pen game. Now, this one is a little different. It's more of a community. So it's not just about applying, it's also about being in the right space. Now, the pros to this one is global opportunities, networking. The cons, smaller job pool though. And you may need to engage more on this website. The next one is going to be skip the drive. And people do not talk about this one enough. Now, this one it's simple, it's straight to the point, remote jobs, organized, it's easy to navigate. The pros, easy to use, aggregates listings. Now, the cons is some repeated jobs, not always exclusive listings. Next is going to be virtual vacations. Now, this one has been around for a while, so you might have heard of it, but people still actually sleep on it too. So they focus strictly on remote jobs and they actually do verify those listings. Now, the pros to this one is legit opportunities, organized. The cons, though, some features require payment. The free version is going to be limited. And the last one I want to share with you guys is going to be one called Well Found. Now, this one is very powerful too. If you're trying to level up, this is where startups go to actually find talent. So if you can get in early with companies before they really actually take off, you're going to be golden. Now, the pros to this is growth opportunity, direct access to companies. Now, some of the cons can require experience, fast paced environment. But let me say this though, because this part actually really does matter. Don't just go applying to all of these at once because you're going to feel overwhelmed and you don't want to overwhelm yourself. Open a bunch of tabs, set alerts, and then check them daily and apply early. Early matters more than perfect, honestly. And if you've been feeling stuck, like you're doing everything right and nothing is working for you, try changing where you actually apply. Because sometimes that's the only thing that needs to change, honestly. Now, If this helped you in any way, please drop a comment and tell me which site you didn't know about. And if you guys are interested, I'll drop a part 2 with even more sleeper sites. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this helped you in some type of way, and I will see you guys in the next video.